Carlton.
Yes, Chanda.
Iska muskuska. Iska kusmuska. No.
Yeah.
Iska muskuska. There's a second part I forget. I was reading. So it say opportunities come when you explore. When you explore. Opportunities come muskuska.
It's a statement or
Yes,
it's a Shona proverb?
It's a statement. It's not a proverb.
I think it's a Shona proverb.
Okay.
You said what? It's a what? It says what?
Opportunities come when you explore.
Opportunities comes when you explore. I think
Iska muskuska.
Chicha chirimutsoka. That's what you mean. Yeah?
Yes.
Alright, it's chicha.
Chicha muskuska.
Chicha.
Chicha.
Chirimutsoka.
Chirikumukosha.
Chirimutsoka.
Chirimukoska.
Chirimutsoka.
Chirikumukosha. But I think you get it.
At the moment,
I think you get
you need to leave this proverb. It's chicha.
Chicha.
Chirimutsoka.
Chirikumukosha.
Chirimutsoka.
Chirikumukosha.
Cho. I said that. So, T and S, so. TSO, tsoka. Yeah. Chicha. Chirimutsoka.
Chirikumukosha.
Alright, no, it's okay. It's fine. I think they hear you. So what do you want to say?
Yeah, I wanted to say opportunities come when you explore. So come out from your cocoon, go and explore. The world is so big and it's waiting for you. Have a blessed day.
Yes, have a blessed day. You guys, we kindly ask you to continue to follow our page. Those who are watching from Facebook, kindly follow. Those watching from YouTube, kindly subscribe. May God bless you. Be blessed.
Amen.